enjoying your holidays? I'm enjoying my holidays. Guess which is my favorite toy? It is Lego. And this is my Lego set. See this big Lego. So today I decided to make a helicopter and a WW ambulance. So let's start. For the WW ambulance, we need a pad like this. And then we need some glasses. So we have to stick it like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. And for the car, we need like this one. And then we have to stick it at here. So we'll get like this. But I wonder why the height is not coming. So I want to put a full like this one. Okay. So stick it here. Take one more like that. Black or white, you can take anyone. And then we need some dots. Let's find them. We need like this ones. Stick at the two pieces. Like this. Like this. Do one more like that one. So we need two on the two parts. Just stick it. And then we need a square shape, two pieces. I'm taking yellow and gray and slowly stick them like this. So it will become like this and stick them at here. So it will become like this. And then we have to keep some like this. One. The side. Not like this one. Like this. One more like this. And then we need some like this ones. Stick them like this. And take more, two like this ones and stick them like this. So it will become like this. And then we need inside one like this part. For keeping that, we have to remove this and stick it like this. And then we need one more like that. Okay, then we have to stick them like this and then stick this one. And then we have to keep it like this and take like this one, like this. Take it like this and take a pad like this one. And then take a like this pad and take like a laptop. You have like this, take like this and stick it like this and stick it like this. And then we need a pad like this one. Stick it like this, so it will be like this. And then we need some like this dots and stick them here. We're going to like that one. So I'm taking dot like this one. And then it will look like this. Okay, then we need a warmer like that one and stick it at here. So it will become like this and then stick it here. And then we need a more height on this part. So we'll take over like this one more and stick it at this part. So now it has a height. And then we need a sitting plate like this. And then slowly take it and stick it here. And then we need some wheels and a piece like this one. And stick it down. So it will become like this. And then we need a like this one and a like this one. So stick it. So stick it like this. And take some wheels and stick it like this. Then we need like this and take some like this dots and fit it here. And then take more like that ones, fit it here, and then here. Take more like that and fit it here, here, and here. And then close it. So now your WW ambulance is ready. So now let's make a helicopter. So let's make it. So let's start to make a helicopter. So we need a like this pad and take like this one, take like this two pads and stick them like this, and then take some glasses like this one and stick them like this, and then like this, and take like this one, stick it here, and fill up this pad with fatty things like this. Take normal like this one here, take like this, here one more, and then take a one more like this one, stick it here, and take a glass like this, and then like this one, and take the glass, stick it here, then it will become like this. Then stick it up, stick it here, so it will become like this. And then take some like this one and stick it here, so it will become like this. And then take one more like this one and stick it here, and take a like this pad and then stick it here, so it becomes like this. And then take a like this box one and stick it here, and then open this part and take some like this pieces and stick this one at like this, so it will become like this, and this one like this, so we'll get like this one. And then take the helicopter, stick it here, and take one more like that one, stick it here. And then we need the helicopter's fan, so we need like this one and two strips and one a dot, and then stick it here, and take some like this one and stick it here, and take this one and stick it here. And then your helicopter needs like this, so it's ready. And then we need the man for it, so take some like this ones and stick it here, and take some like this one and stick it here, and then take a like this one and stick it here, and then take a like this one and stick it like this. So your man is ready. And then keep it down, open this and stick him like this. So your helicopter is ready. See this.